So this is where we receive all of our samples. As they come in the door, they go over there to our specialty team that checks them in, ensures that all samples are received according to the analytical plan. We can then shuttle them through the doors into our processing laboratory or over into our long-term or connected storage. Once samples have been received by our lab support team, they'll come into the processing area. And here, our scientists have dedicated test procedures and methods where they'll follow exactly according to the controlled methods, the process that's been established, do all the staining, processing, cell prep that might be needed, and make sure that the samples are ready to go into the cytometers. We work with a very high number of whole blood samples, and these samples can have various pathogens associated with them. So for most of the whole blood handling, we make sure that they're processed in these sterile culture rooms. We can process somewhere north of 500 ppmc samples a day if needed, and have the staff and training necessary to do that safely. So here we have our analysis room. We have, of course, our 2 Fortessas that have been with us since the founding of the company. And we've now also got the 2 Cytec Aurora systems. This exact setup will be replicated in Lyon in Australia. Our scientists have done a great job at really maximizing the Fortessas, but as we've sort of outgrown the 18 color paradigm, we've needed to move into 40 color Cytecs. And the whole team here has been extremely happy with how the instruments are performed and what the training process and transition process has been from the Fortessas over to the spectral flow instruments. Equipment though, we're looking for more and more automation, so that's why Cytec has been gracious enough to bring in the Orion for a demo today.
Yeah, that sounds about right. But in terms of demoing, I think on the East Coast at least, this is kind of the first one that we've run through. So bear with us.